The gates of the facility open, welcoming a new shipment, a journey's end, a new beginning for the relentless, unseen process within. Deep within the labyrinthine corridors, the machinery of industry hums, awaiting its next grim task.
Primal fear, a silent plea, trapped within the confines of industry. The journey's end is just the beginning of their transformation.
Into the depths they are driven, a relentless tide of life pushed towards an inevitable, brutal fate.
Cleansing begins, a ritual of erasure, preparing the vessel for its next cargo, a cycle of life and death, endlessly repeated.
The gates seal their fate, a metallic symphony of finality, trapped in a maze of steel.
Before the transformation, the silent guardians of quality ensure every detail. A meticulous
Digits flash, a silent countdown, orchestrating the precise, unyielding rhythm of the factory. Every second, a step closer.
Thousands wait, a silent, living tide, confined within the cold embrace of concrete.
Beyond this unforgiving steel, the true transformation begins. A threshold crossed. A momentary pause, a silent plea as the relentless machinery grinds to a halt. But for how long can the inevitable be delayed? The final steps. A journey into the abyss. A silent procession, an inert form, moving towards its destiny. The machine.
Primal cuts are meticulously stored in vast, climate-controlled warehouses, maintaining peak freshness and quality before further processing.
Advanced sensors continuously monitor temperature during grinding, ensuring optimal conditions for freshness and product integrity.
Precisely weighed portions of ground pork are flawlessly blended in automated mixers, ensuring consistent texture and flavor profile.
Automated slicing machines deliver perfectly uniform cuts, ensuring every piece meets exacting standards for presentation and consistency.
Skilled hands meticulously arrange each slice onto trays, ensuring perfect presentation for the next stage of packaging excellence.
Vacuum sealing machines expertly remove air, preserving freshness and extending shelf life, a crucial step for premium product delivery.
Every vacuum-sealed package undergoes stringent leak tests, guaranteeing absolute freshness and optimal product protection until consumption. Automated precision ensures each package receives its distinct, high-quality branding, a testament to our commitment to excellence. With meticulous care, each perfectly labeled package is placed into branded boxes, ready for their journey to the consumer. Automated robots precisely stack finished products onto pallets, streamlining the final stages of preparation for efficient distribution.
Each pallet receives a precisely printed shipping label, ensuring accurate tracking and timely delivery to global destinations.
Forklift operators efficiently load pallets onto refrigerated trucks, maintaining temperature control for optimal product integrity during transit.
From our state-of-the-art facility, a fleet of refrigerated trucks embarks, delivering premium products to destinations worldwide.
Advanced scanning technology precisely analyzes each carcass, optimizing cuts based on muscle density and fat distribution for superior quality. Robotic precision revolutionizes deboning, ensuring maximum yield and consistent cuts with unmatched speed and hygiene.
Laser-guided blades achieve unparalleled precision, creating perfectly uniform steaks from each loin, ready for gourmet preparation. Culinary specialists conduct rigorous sensory evaluations, ensuring every marinated product achieves the perfect balance of flavor and aroma. Automated tumblers gently massage marinated pork, ensuring complete flavor penetration and tenderization for an unparalleled taste experience.
Spectrometer analysis rigorously verifies marinade absorption and chemical composition, guaranteeing consistent flavor and uncompromised quality.
Technicians meticulously control every aspect of the smoking process, from temperature to wood chip combustion, ensuring perfect results. Within the smokehouse, rich aromas infuse the pork, slowly transforming it into a product with unparalleled depth and character. Post-smoking, each product undergoes rigorous internal temperature checks, guaranteeing food safety and optimal texture for consumption. Freshly smoked products swiftly enter rapid chilling units, ensuring quick temperature reduction to lock in flavor and freshness. Cold smoked products undergo precise texture analysis, ensuring consistent firmness and a superior eating experience with every bite. Cold smoked products are meticulously placed into premium, branded packaging, ensuring elegant presentation and exceptional protection.
Each package proudly displays certifications, a testament to our unwavering commitment to organic, sustainable, and ethical sourcing practices.
Packaged products arrive at our vast distribution center, meticulously organized and temperature controlled, ready for their journey to consumers.
From our factory to your table, experience the culmination of quality and craftsmanship. A truly gourmet delight awaits.
Our journey begins on ethical farms, where pigs roam freely, ensuring their well-being and the highest quality from the start.
Our commitment to animal welfare starts young, with farmers providing gentle, hands-on care for every piglet from birth.
Regular veterinary checks ensure every animal's health and well-being, a cornerstone of our ethical farming practices.
Each animal is individually tracked with digital ear tags, providing vital health data and ensuring full traceability from birth.
Meticulous daily cleaning of feeding troughs ensures optimal hygiene, vital for animal health and preventing disease transmission.
Expert nutritionists formulate high-quality feed from natural grains, ensuring optimal health and growth for every animal.
Automated systems deliver precisely measured feed, ensuring consistent nutrition and promoting healthy growth and animal well-being. Automated water dispensers provide a constant supply of fresh, clean water, essential for the health and vitality of our animals.
Farmers meticulously provide fresh, clean straw bedding, ensuring comfort and promoting natural behaviors for our animals' well-being.
Comprehensive farm audits and continuous monitoring ensure strict adherence to ethical standards, upholding our commitment to animal welfare. Farmers and veterinarians collaborate tirelessly, continually innovating and improving practices to ensure the highest standards of animal welfare.
Truck drivers conduct thorough preloading inspections, ensuring refrigerated trailers are perfectly conditioned for product integrity during transit.
Cutting-edge X-ray inspection systems meticulously scan every product, guaranteeing the absence of foreign objects for unparalleled safety.
Advanced optical sorting cameras meticulously analyze each piece, ensuring consistent color, texture, and size for premium quality.
High-pressure air jets swiftly remove any imperfect pieces, ensuring only flawless products continue down the processing line.
Precise pH testing ensures optimal freshness and quality, a critical measure for maintaining superior product standards.
Automated form-fill seal machines meticulously package products, ensuring hygiene, precision, and efficiency for consistent quality every time.
Spiced pork ribs are swiftly transferred into industrial blast chillers, rapidly locking in flavor and ensuring optimal freshness and texture.
Precise moisture content testing guarantees optimal texture and yield, maintaining the superior quality expected from our products. Automated portioning machines precisely weigh and fill containers, guaranteeing consistent serving sizes and exceptional product presentation. Every package undergoes meticulous seal integrity checks, guaranteeing freshness and protection for our premium products. Automated weight verification systems ensure every package meets precise standards, guaranteeing consistent product value for our consumers. Our advanced logistics control center meticulously tracks global shipments, ensuring timely, efficient delivery from factory to consumer. Automated cold storage facilities maintain optimal conditions, ensuring every product remains perfectly fresh until its final destination. Automated scanning precisely tracks each product, ensuring accurate inventory management and seamless movement through distribution channels.
Straight back, Bay 3, you're clear.
Manifest confirmed. All green.
Truck drivers conduct thorough pre-loading inspections, ensuring refrigerated trailers are perfectly conditioned for product integrity during transit.
Our fleet of refrigerated trucks departs, carrying premium products across vast distances, connecting our quality to global markets. In specialty butcher shops, our premium pork is exquisitely presented, a testament to its exceptional quality and craftsmanship. Discerning gourmet chefs choose our premium pork, recognizing its unparalleled quality as the foundation for exquisite culinary creations.
It is so wonderful to finally have us all together.
Absolutely. The roast looks incredible.
To family.
Cheers.
Every package undergoes meticulous seal integrity checks, guaranteeing freshness and protection for our premium products.
From robotic precision to human expertise, every stage is a testament to our unwavering dedication to quality, safety, and efficiency.
Our commitment to sustainability, animal welfare, and unparalleled quality is proudly displayed, guiding every decision we make.
Honestly, the new setup has made collaboration so much easier.
I agree completely, and the feedback on the latest project has been stellar.
How does modifying the lipid profile affect the stability?
The analysis suggests increased oxidation resistance right here.
Noted. Checking the parameters.
New product innovations, meticulously crafted and tasted, exemplify our pursuit of culinary excellence and consumer satisfaction.
Innovative new products move through advanced packaging lines, ready to captivate markets with their fresh design and superior quality.
How does this campaign translate to the APAC market?
We adjusted the visuals based on the regional data here.
It seems strong enough for the global rollout.
Yeah.
Just a touch more glaze on the right side.
Some. Perfect. Let's take the shot.
Behold the culmination of our passion, a premium product, elegantly packaged, poised to redefine.
To family, good fortune, and success.
Cheers!